Using things that you already believe work as your placebo. Hey y'all, it's Taj. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back today with some more free tea. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We transmute energy and ascend. We talk about things like the law of assumption, creating our dream realities, and simply being the best versions of ourselves. So today I want to talk to you guys about manifesting using the placebo effect. So let's jump right on in it. Now, there are several channels on YouTube that have covered using the placebo effect to manifest. But the thing that I did not see in some of the videos was using things that you already believe work as your placebo. The other videos were saying, like, use perfume. Say every time you spray on this perfume, it's helping me manifest. Or every time I vacuum my floor, it's helping me manifest. Like, I understand that concept of finding any random thing, if you want to, anything that you do repeatedly or whatever the case, finding things and using that thing as a placebo. But what I've learned that has helped me manifest using placebo is because we all know the placebo effect and how it works. You give one group of people Tylenol, you give the other group of people a sugar pill and say this pill is going to help you relieve your headaches. And what they find afterwards is that even the people with the sugar pill, because they believe they were receiving something that helped them relieve their headaches, they were relieved of their headaches, right? So placebos do work. However, what I found that work wonders and so much more powerful for me is using placebos or using things as placebos that I already have somewhat a belief that they work anyway. So for an example, every time I drink water, this water is helping me manifest weight loss. Drinking this water, I'm losing weight, or by drinking this water, it's keeping me at my ideal weight. Okay, I use water as a placebo. Other things, anytime I find money, or it can be change or pennies or whatever. Anytime I find money or see money laying around, I'm like, every time I find money, it's manifesting more money. Like, I'm getting more money into my life, more money, more abundance. Like, this is a sign that I'm more abundant. Things like that you already have a belief about, or that happens frequently enough, such as finding pennies or change or anything like that, finding money. I use that as a placebo effect. Another good placebo, one of my subscribers was saying this in my live video the other day, that she uses the water in the shower as a placebo effect. Every time I take a shower, it's washing away all the negativity and it's washing it down the drain. That's a great placebo effect for you to release negative energy, or for however you want to use it. But I thought that was really great. Another placebo that I use for weight loss is green tea. We all know that green tea is proven to help with weight loss. However, in my mind, I'm saying to myself, every time I drink green tea, it's making me lose a pound a day. It's speeding up my metabolism. My metabolism is so fast because of green tea. Or another one that I'm doing, I'm also manifesting like thicker, longer, fuller hair, right? So I've been using aloe vera juice in a spray bottle, and I spray it on my hair every single day. Now, aloe vera is proven to help with hair growth and the thickness of your hair growing. So what I do is I use that as my placebo as well, because I already have a belief already that it works. So the purpose of this video, though, is to encourage you guys to use things that you already believe work in some way. It doesn't even matter. Even if you believe it just a little bit, use that as a placebo. It's much easier for me to use things that I already slightly have a good belief about as placebos versus using something very random like perfume. Like, every time I spray perfume, it's gonna help me get more money. Like, to me, in my mind, it already doesn't make any sense. And so it would take more effort for me to believe that, and it would take a lot more of reprogramming my mind or retraining my mind in order for me to really believe that, versus using a placebo that I already have someone of a belief about. Hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, this video was pretty short and sweet. I just kind of wanted to come in and say that because these are some things that I've been doing, and I know that there are a lot of videos on using the placebo effect to manifest, but I want to encourage you guys to use things that you already believe work as your placebo, and watch how much quicker you're able to manifest whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave you guys with that. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hit that like button again. Leave me a comment. Let me know some placebos that you've been using, if you've already used some, or if you plan on using some. Let me know down in the comments. I want to know. Share with the family and the community here that we are building together. So wishing you guys nothing but peace, love, and blessings. Happy manifesting.